Hello and welcome to the lesson from Apache Hive interview question and answers. Today we will explore a key optimizing technique in Hive partitioning. We will learn how partitioning works, why it matters, and how it's speed up query execution with the real life problem. What is partitioning in Hive? Partitioning in Hive ways of dividing large table into smaller manageable parts called partition based on the values of specific columns such as date, country, or department. Imagine a giant spreadsheet with millions of sales record. Instead of searching the entire file for a specific date, partitioning helps Hive jump directly to the relevant folder or partition. Why is partitioning beneficial? Partitioning makes query run faster by filtering data early, only scans relevant partition instead of the whole table, reduces IO, less data read from disk, saving processing time, improve resource utilization, spreads data across storage for efficient access. Let's discuss a detailed example. Scenario: suppose you are managing a Hive table sales that stores sales data with column, date, country, product, and amount. The table has 1 billion records for 2022 and 2023. Without partitioning, running a query for sales on 2023-0101. So we will write the query as select star from sales where date equal to 2023-0101. Hive scans all 1 billion rows to find matching records. With partitioning, your partition is by sales by date. The data on HDFS is stored in directories like sales slash date equal to 230101, sales slash date equal to 230102, and so on, etc. So the same query select star from sales where date equal to 230101. Hive only scans files in file location sales data date equal to 230101. Thousands or millions fewer records can. Let's look at a table of performance comparison. Approach: non-partitioning. Row scan 1 billion. Query time. Example: slow in minutes. Date partitioning. Few K of records. Query time fast and seconds. So the execution is faster. Let's create a partition table in Hive. So we will write create table sales, country string, product string, amount double, partition by date string. When loading data for a specific date, load data into in path to date 230101.csv into table sales partition date equal to 230101. Takeaway: partition helps Hive skip irrelevant data, make queries much faster, always partition tables by columns you frequently filter with on the where clause, like dates or region. Proper partitioning can turn a query to take minutes into one that completes in seconds.